काहे सताए आजा. Mat to last, I guess. Is it mat to last? Hello lovely people, I'm Akanksha and welcome to Get Lighting Akanksha. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this makeup look that you're seeing on my face right now. It's a very subtle, natural, dewy, peachy makeup look, and it's going to go well with all sort of outfits and of all colors because it's a very neutral toned makeup look. And the products that I have used to create this look are pretty affordable. These are super duper affordable drugstore products except the mascara, because trust me, I just cannot get rid of the mascara, you guys. So pardon me for that, but other than the mascara, all other products are really affordable, so it's not gonna be heavy on your pocket. Also, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing and also press the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So at first today I'm going to be doing my base, and for that I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's in the shade 228 Soft Tan, and I actually used this in my previous tutorial as well, so it's nothing new. I just dot it over my face and then blend it. And I like making small dots and spreading it evenly all throughout the face rather than just putting one or two pumps on the face, like on 1-2 spots, because that way I feel that आपको coverage better मिलती है. So that's the foundation, and now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. So I'll again use my Fit Me concealer. Just dot it over my blemishes. And also we are gonna be using this as the eyeshadow base. Honestly, you guys, I have no idea what look we are going for today, but let's see. It's gonna be like a neutral warm tone look, I guess. The base is looking perfect, and now I'll just set my under eyes using this Fit Me loose powder in the shade 20 light medium. Oh, by the way, the concealer was in the shade golden. I have used golden today. And now we are gonna head towards doing my brows. Yes, we are slightly changing the makeup routine for today's tutorial because I felt like you guys might be bored of my regular usual routine. And again, for the eyebrows, I'm using this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. Okay, so I want to tell you guys something. Okay, so you guys might be like, her video में same products use करती रहती है. I want my tutorials to be comfortable for me to create good makeup looks, so that ऐसा ना हो कि I wanted to create one look but then ended up in a complete disaster. So that's why. And along with that, if I have 3-4 foundation, why would I even spend on a 5th one? Because you guys know already कि मैं daily basis पे makeup use नहीं करती हूँ, so it's just gonna be pointless for me अगर मैं ऐसे ही बहुत सारे hoard करती रहूँ. So yeah, I just like to stick to the products that I like. So I hope that's okay with you guys, because I do feel that when you click on to a makeup tutorial, you don't want to see new products. You don't want to see new releases or stuff like that. You just want to know how someone created that look, right? So now coming to the eye look, so I'm going to be using a new eyeshadow palette today. Like it's not new per se, but I am using it for the very first time. So it is the Makeup Revolution Hypnotic palette, and it has some amazing neutral colors, neutral shades. Along with that, it has quite a few shimmers as well. If you guys can see, this is how the palette looks like. So let's get started. I think at first I'm going to go in with a neutral shade. I'm going to be putting the shade right here on the screen, so don't worry about that. I'm just picking in a little bit of this shade, and I'm not that pigmented, I feel, but it's okay. We can build it up. That's not an issue. Can you see? Is there any difference? Not much, but yeah, there is a color in here. Okay, then I'm going in with this. Oh, this is pigmented. So I picked up this peach shade, the only peach shade from the palette, and it seems like it's really pigmented and I'm liking it. Okay, let's put it all over the lids. Should I? Or should we do a shimmery lid? Okay, I'm packing it on my crease. And We'll do a shimmery lid, okay? I don't even know if the camera is picking the color, but it's there, okay? It's like a very muted peach shade. Or should I add some more? Because I know that it's there in person, like when you see my eyes in person, it's there, but I'm not sure if camera mate's picking, so let's put a tad bit more. Okay, now I'll put some glitter. What shade should I go for? Okay, let's go with this. Looks nice. I'll be using this sponge applicator itself because my packing brush is there on my vanity. So abhi I don't wanna get up. My shade, I must say I'm liking it. But I think it's much better with the finger itself. See? It's so much better, right? It's looking pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the peach shade again and then pack it right onto the outer corner. Okay, so I think the eyes are done, and now I'll be using the same peach shade from this palette as the blush as well. So just picking a little bit of the shade. Okay, so the cheeks are done, the eyes are done, and I think I'm going to be using a little bit of eyeliner. So I'll go in with this Colossal liner. It's a felt tip eyeliner. So the eyeliner is done. Now let's do the mascara, and I think I'm very predictable. I'm going to be using this Benefit Bad Girl Make Mascara. Okay, mascara is also done, you guys. Now let's move into the highlighter, and I'm using my Tuta Futa Maybelline Master Chrome. This is a good highlighter, you know, but yeah, I just broke it and I'm still trying to use it. Okay, we are almost done with the look. The last step is a lipstick, and today I'm going to be using this Nykaa Matte to Last, I guess. Is it Matte to Last? Yeah, it is a Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Bombay, my favorite peachy nude shade of lately. So I'll use this. Alright, you guys, this is how it looks, and honestly I'm really liking it because of the fact that it's really neutral and really subtle. Because if you guys know me, you know that I am not into tarakta bharakta makeup looks. I'm a very minimalistic person when it comes to anything. So yeah, I really see myself carrying this look. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me Akanksha signing off. Bye.